Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you and reveal my prediction. What would be the biggest bag trend of 2024? And it would be the double bag trend. Yes guys, so guys, I would be sharing to you what are the pros and cons of joining the bandwagon of carrying double bags or two bags in one. Also, please make sure you stay tuned at the end of this episode because I would be sharing to you different luxury brands right now who are carrying the double bag trend. So I would be sharing to you what bags you can purchase, and of course I'll be sharing the prices, the features, and everything that you need to know about this amazing trend. So guys, please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. Guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-going fam. You're going to see this cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. Also, please do follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So the double bag trend is not actually new. We have seen this couple of times and it has circled all the way back. As far as I could remember, the very first time that I've seen the double bag trend is with Fendi, and that is when Karl Lagerfeld was still alive, when he designed the Fendi bag monster, which includes my micro Fendi baguette, and we are going to see the bag charms and everyone is carrying the regular Fendi baguette and they're going to carry their micro Fendi baguette. But right now guys, the reason why we are saying that this is going to be the hottest bag trend of 2024, on the previous runway collection of different luxury brands from Louis Vuitton, there is Fendi, there is Bottega Veneta, there is Miu Miu, there is Prada. Almost all of the luxury brands from the recent runway collection are featuring the double bag trend. So guys, you could expect that everyone is going to do this. Actually, we can also see this on different celebrities, even different shows. So Sarah Jessica Parker from the reboot of Sex and the City, and just like that, she has been seen carrying her sequin Fendi baguette, and on one shoulder she is carrying a regular tote bag. Also, I think also one of the famous celebrities or shows would be Emily in Paris, so we could see her carrying the double bag trend. So it is not something new, but guys, we could expect that this is going to explode this 2024. So also guys, I would also just like to share, since I've mentioned that I've seen this on Fendi before during Karl Lagerfeld, I think I have been hypnotized with that double bag trend ever since. That is why I am really fond of collecting, you know, the mommy bag and the baby bag. And the very first one that I actually got would be my Louis Vuitton Papillon bag. So I got this one. This is my very first luxury bag that I purchased pre-love. So as you can see, she has this mommy Papillon bag in epi leather, and she has this baby. So this baby is fully detachable. You could wear it just with the mommy bag, or you could also wear this one for parties, but you could wear them together as well. Then of course, the next that I have in my collection, of course, I have my beaded Fendi baguette. So this is the vintage version, so very beautiful beaded. As you can see here, she is very rare, and this one I got brand new from our Fendi store here. So this is the very first iteration of the micro Fendi baguette. Would you believe it guys, on this version of the micro Fendi baguette, my iPhone 5s actually fits in here, because that is the reason why I purchased this, because during that time my phone actually would fit in. So as you can see, and I'm going to put some photos here how I am carrying these bag trends over here. So I like carrying it like this, or maybe I could wear this as a crossbody with a chain, and I could carry this as a top handle. And last but not the least on my collection, so they are not the same brand, so you could also do this as well guys. So I have my Louis Vuitton Alma BB, and of course I have my Prada Promenade bags, as you can see here. So this is smaller and this is slightly bigger, so I could carry this as a top handle and I could carry this as a crossbody. Also guys, it is not the double bag trend that would be coming. It is not like you are just going to carry the mommy and the baby at the same time. So it doesn't necessarily mean that they need to look the same or that they have to be of the same brand. So like just this two. Normally with my Alma BB, what I'll be doing with the double bag trend is I would be carrying this one, and I would be carrying either my petite sac plat, or I could carry my petite sac plat, and of course my toiletry pouch 26. If you want to jump on this trend, guys, definitely there are no rules. You could play around with the rules like what I mentioned. It doesn't need to be of the same brand. It doesn't need to be a identical bag. So definitely you could own this style. But for me, what I so love with the double bag trend is if, for example, if you have the same bags, so like for example, I have this one, the Fendi Baguette and Micro Fendi Baguette. As you can see here, I am so obsessed with this look, and also with this one. And kindly stay tuned with the Alma because I would be revealing soon that I have a new baby. I'm so excited to share that as well. So guys, also another pro or another advantage of having or joining the bandwagon of double bag trends, for me, aside from amazing style, it would double the function of the bag. So for example, with this one, so there are certain limitations of how much I could carry with the Fendi Baguette. So if I want more space, for example, I want to carry my toiletries or oil control, or maybe even my wallet, I could use this as a wallet, put my credit cards here, so I could put it here, and all of my other essentials would be with this one. And best example for me, the reason why lately I've been sporting the double bag trend with the Alma BB, so she is very spacious, but then again, sometimes I would need to carry with me more on a daily basis. That is why I am bringing out my petite sac plat. So with my petite sac plat, that is where I could house my two phones. So I have my Pro Max and I have my Pro, so that would be perfect, and then everything would be here, because with the petite sac plat, it is just open, so it's easy to slip my phone in and out with that bag, and everything here would be secure. Alright, so the next topic for this discussion is I would be sharing to you guys the different amazing selections that we could choose. So there are actually different luxury brands and even contemporary brands that I would love to share. So guys, happy shopping!
Alright, so guys, prices are up to date as of January 16, 2024. Links to these bags are on the description box below. Happy shopping, guys! So let us start first with the latest Louis Vuitton bag. So first we have the Croissant MM in their latest denim collection. Price is $3,350 USD. So now available online and in stores. So what I am loving about this new re-edition of the Croissant size MM is if you are going to purchase this one, it already comes with the baby bag. So if you are not a fan of the denim bag, it comes in the classic monogram canvas. Price is $3,100 USD. Same features of the bag, and I am so loving how cute is the micro bag version. So this is how it looks like when you open it, and this is how you could wear it as a crossbody as well. Part of the denim collection from Louis Vuitton, we have the Papillon bag. Price is $3,350 USD. So it comes with the mommy bag and it comes with the baby version. So it comes with untreated vachetta leather. What I am loving about the Papillon is, guys, I have this in the black epi leather, a vintage version, and it looks exactly the same. Then let's go to the brand Miu Miu. So first we have the Wander bag in the matelassé regenerated nylon. Price is $2,650. It comes in different colors. So this one, you are going to purchase this hobo bag style, it would come with the teeny tiny version bag charm as well. So it, again, as mentioned, it comes in many different colors. This one, if you want something more useful, you could choose to opt for this one. So this is the micro hobo bag. Price is $1,250 USD. So as you're going to notice, it's much bigger than a bag charm. It comes with a detachable strap, and definitely you could fit more compared to the bag charm that we have initially discussed. So next we have Fendi. So guys, for Fendi, this is their latest nano baguette charm for their holiday 2023 collection. So price is $850 USD. Guys, please take note that Fendi currently offers so many wide range of nano baguette charms that you could use double up your Fendi bags or even add to your other Fendi bags as well. Then we have the nano peekaboo in the maxi handle. So this one price is 1,750 USD. As you can see online at fendi.com, it comes in 3 colors. So we have the black, we have the white, and we have the caramel color as well. So this is how it would look like if you're going to carry it as a double bag thread. Then this one, I am so in love, Coach Tabby 12 in metallic, price is 225 USD. Guys, the 12, it means 12 centimeters. It comes in different materials as well. So like this genuine green calfskin leather and different hardware as well. This is how it looks like. Last but not the least, we have Marc Jacobs Nano Tote Bag Charm. Price is 9,400 Philippine pesos. This one, guys, I don't have a Marc Jacobs tote bag, but when I have seen this Nano Tote Bag version, OMG, I really wanted to go to our Marc Jacobs store and purchase these 2 bags. So cute!
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, what do you think of the double bag trend for 2024? If you have any comments or suggestions about our topic for today, let's do it, guys. Let's have a conversation. Kindly leave them on the description box below or on the comment section down below. Also, among the very beautiful bag selection that I've chosen, so as mentioned earlier, there are the luxury brands and there are also contemporary brands that you could choose from. Honestly, if for example, I would be purchasing another of these double bag trend, I would love to get the one from Coach. So from the Coach one, smallest Tabby, I think it's the Tabby 12 or 13, the smaller ones. And guys, the price is so amazing, only at 195 USD if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I don't have a Coach Tabby yet, but definitely since I have the Coach Tabby top handle, that would be perfect in playing with the double bag trend. And as mentioned earlier, guys, so you could play around with the rules. This is not strictly that you need to have the same identical bag. You could just do your own style, just as long as it fits your style, it fits your lifestyle, then definitely you would be able to rock this style. So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video. I would really appreciate it and it would really help growing our channel. Also, please do follow me on my Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!